Hey y'all, welcome to Aviation Farming. Today I was out at Deep 4 working on the bird wing. And dad burn it if I didn't get my hands stuck in there in that bird wing. Hey, anyway, you know what's nice about building an airplane is if you get somewhat tired of working on one item for a while, you can switch off and jump to something else and work on it for a little bit to take a little break from the other thing. So anyhow, while I'm waiting for some new nose root skins, top skins to get here, I decided to jump over and do a little fitting on the fuel tank into the fuel tank compartment on the wing. Anyway, the idea is to put these cork strips into there, and the tank can sit on that. It kind of will act as a cushion for the tank and also keep it from aluminum of the tank rubbing against the aluminum skins and the ribs. This fuel tank has a vent tube which comes out of the tank in the upper right hand corner by the fuel cap underneath, and also underneath in the opposite corner down at the aft section of the tank, there's a port down there for the sump. It's a threaded port that the sump valve will screw into, and the bottom skin has two round holes in each of those positions. And so the idea is to get that tank in there and have it pretty stable and have those holes of the bottom skin line up with the vent tube, and down in the other corner also at the same time line up with the fuel sump. And anyway, at the end of the day, I'm still working on fitting that tank into the wing the way I want it to be. Here at the end of the day, I've put the top skin over the fuel tank back on, just temporarily until I get back out here to do some more work in a couple days. I'll be working on getting the vent tube and the sump valve drain to line up with the bottom skin holes a little better. Thanks a lot for watching, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.